Alright, welcome back everyone, and this is not going to be a regular just me painting video and showing that. This is more of a continuation on my last video, which was the best chrome paint. So as you can tell from the beginning, I've painted shall-bal and Silver Surfer in two different chrome paints, and at the end I will tell you which is which. So I'm going to be taking these Tamiya paints and mixing them, and I'm basically going for Galactus's hand, right? And there's a lot of different reference photos for him, different colors, but in the movie he's more like a purple gray. So that's what I was trying to do by mixing these two, is do a little bit of a purplish gray, like a mute purple, and I think I achieved that. But looking at a couple of more photos, he is a little bit more magenta, so I decided to go ahead and add a little bit of that as a top coat, just to darken it up a little. And as you can see the difference right here. Also did the same thing for his palm, but notice the big gap in between. I tried to fill it in the best I could, but the way this was cut, this model, it was pretty difficult, especially with the space waves. As you can see, I'm taking this, I'm just doing some shadowing. I did do highlights as well, but I don't think I captured that in video. Like I said, this is just a continuation, mainly focused on the chrome. Right here, I'm going to be using several different colors of Turbo Dork, the color shift paints. Has a nice pearlescence in there as well. And just doing this for the waves. As you can tell, the way, again, the model was cut, and all the rocks and the waves, like it's really hard to get into all that to try to fill every single gap. I did my best, and the way you look at the model, you're not really going to see it anyway because that's in the back. So I wasn't too worried about it. And these are supposed to be like cosmic waves and everything like that, so I wanted them to have different hues, different colors. And I think the Turbo Dorks really helped with that because of the color shifting properties in them in the paint. And I do paint the rocks as well, which came out pretty good. I believe I show that in the next section. But until then, enjoy some music. Finally, taking this German gray, going to be painting in between the knuckles of Galactus's hand, fingers, palm, all that. Actually, I didn't show the rock painting. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I'll do a separate video, but that's actually it for the painting portion. I will show the glamour shots and what chrome was used with which model.